Crocamole.
Maybe you like to be outside, playing games with friends, seeing different animals, or going for a drive. Beep, beep.
Oh, yeah.
And you can do lots inside as well. You can cook yummy food or play a game. Checkmate.
Oh.
Or take a nap.
Inside, outside, I don't know which one's my favourite.
What's your favourite? Inside or outside?
Outside running around.
Run. Oh, you're it.
Oh, you're
Oh, I'm it. Oh, I got you both.
Woke up in the morning and noticed sunshine all around. Ran downstairs and looked outside, and this is what I found. Kids playing sport on a tennis court and cars passing by. A house with games, picture frames, and a family inside. It's a big world and I like to live in it too.
Let's run around.
Okay.
Run.
Oh, let's go inside.
Open the door. Hop in.
Ooh, lovely house. Woke up in the morning and noticed sunshine all around. Ran downstairs and looked outside, and this is what I found. Kids playing sport on a tennis court and cars passing by. A house with games, picture frames, and a family inside. It's a big world and I like to live in it too. Oh, what can we do inside? Oh, let's draw a picture. I'm making a rocket ship.
I'm making a flower.
And I'm making a bus. Beep, beep.
Why don't we bake a cake?
Oh, good idea. Milk, eggs. It's a big world and I like to live in it too.
Okay, our cake's all ready.
Yummy.
Delicious.